it was very late when I came to my realization that MyCPE One has come up with this an amazing learning platform for all the students and all the people who really want to achieve their CPA or EA qualification out there. So yes, they have been providing the learning platform to all those students who really want to do something and make their career in the accounting and finance at a very affordable prices. So those who really want to make a career in the US domain, they should definitely not think twice before getting onto this. So yes, it's a good to go thing for all of them.
Hello and welcome to Careers Unlocked. I'm your host Nitisha Jain and I'm thrilled to bring back this podcast series after our exciting rebranding journey. This show is all about unlocking opportunities in the US industry with our expert insights, real life stories, and actionable advice to help you take your career global. Today, we have a very special guest with us, Yaksh Darji. Yaksh is a powerhouse of knowledge and experience, holding the prestigious Chartered Accountant designation and the globally recognized CPA qualification. From conquering the challenges of CA to unlocking new horizons with CPA, Yaksh has built an inspiring career that bridges the Indian and US accounting industry. In this episode, we'll dive into Yaksh's journeys, explore the value of pursuing CPA after CA, and uncover his advice for aspiring professionals looking to make their mark on the global stage. So let's get started. Hi Yaksh, welcome in our series.
Hi Nitisha. First of all, thank you for inviting me to this podcast and giving me this opportunity. I'm really very grateful for that. So today
Thank you
I'm
so
gonna
much.
discuss about a little bit about how I did my CA and then I pursued my CPA. So we will dive into this.
Sure. It's an honor for us to host you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Moving towards our very first question, Yaksh, I would like to know that you are already a CM, which is like climbing the Mount Everest already. What made you think let's climb the K2 as well by pursuing CPA?
Oh, that's a really good question, Nitisha. Okay, so I would like to answer it in a way that yes, becoming a chartered accountant was indeed like climbing a Mount Everest, a journey full of sacrifices, challenges, hard work, and perseverance. And it's rightly said that CA is not just a degree, but it's an emotion.
True.
However, when I reached that peak, I realized that if I have a competitive edge, or if I want to stand out from others, then I have to go an extra mile for the same. So that was the point wherein I decided to pursue the CPA degree to get a deep dive insight about the financial landscape also. The CPA qualification not only deepens my understanding about the international accounting standards, but it also opens the door for international opportunities as well. So yes, climbing K2 was worth it. It represents my commitment to continuous learning.
That's great. And that's very inspiring, Yaksh.
Yeah, it
Truly.
is.
I have one more question related to
Yeah,
this only that not everyone cleared their CA exams on very first or second attempt, right?
mm, correct.
Then some might decide to explore other paths altogether. So, based on your experience working in both Indian and US industries, what advice would you like to give to someone who couldn't clear their CA but still want to build a successful career in their accounting or finance industry?
Yes, surely. I have been witnessing this scenario a lot lately, wherein the individuals are putting their significant efforts, but they are still struggling to achieve their desired success. And
Mhm.
to all those who have been seeking my advice, I have been consistently recommending them that they should either go for a EA degree or a CPA degree or a US CMA degree, which all three are globally recognized all over the world. And
Right.
that equally holds a significant importance and it stands par at a CA qualification as well. So I feel that someone's efforts should not go in vain. If you are not able to complete your CA degree, there are many alternatives to this which one can uncover it. And this degree, achieving this, all these qualifications which I have mentioned, can serve as a pivotal step in building a successful career in the accounting and finance. So that's what I recommend to everyone, that if you are not able to clear CA, don't just worry about anything. Your efforts would not go in vain. You should either go for a EA or a CPA or other professionally recognized, globally recognized professional degree.
Right. Because I also feel the same that if someone has reached, say, a final level, then they are not less capable. If someone wants to enter the global accounting field but doesn't have a CA or maybe CPA qualification, then what certification or skills would you recommend them to start with?
Sure, definitely. I believe that holding a CA qualification can provide a strong foundation for someone who wants to pursue their EA degree or a CPA degree. However, that
Hmm.
is not a prerequisite, right? There are
Right.
several other recognized professional certifications that an individual can consider taking up. For example, I would say if someone wants to go into the US taxation or a
Hmm.
audit sector, they can either go for a CIA, which is meant by Certified Internal Audit, or someone can go
Right.
for a CFP, that is a Certified Financial Planner, maybe the CFE also for Certified Fraud Examiner. Likewise, there are many different professionally globally recognized qualifications which one can
Right.
consider. Apart from this also, these are the professional degrees which one can achieve. However, there are
Hmm.
many courses which are available online, which one can sharpen their accounting skills on them. For example,
Okay.
the QBO, there is a SAP, there is a SAP Vertex, a different version of SAP. There's a Zoho Books, Sage as well. By enrolling on these
Okay.
in these online certification programs, one can really have a competitive edge. Because all
Hmm.
I think is that you can get a first job based on your qualification, but you will always get a second job based on your experience, and there is no bar in learning.
That's true. That's absolutely true, Yash.
Yes,
Yaksh, before we wrap up, I have a last question. If you have heard about my CP One Academy, can you just give some insights for our listeners?
definitely. It was very late when I came to my realization that my CP1 has come up with this an amazing learning platform for all the students and all the people who really want to achieve their CPA or EA qualification out there. So yes, they have been providing the learning platform to all those students who really want to do something and make their career in the accounting and finance at a very affordable prices. So those who really want to make a career in the US domain, they should definitely not think twice before getting onto this. So yes, it's a good to go thing for all of them.
Thank you, Yaksh, for sharing your inspiring journey and valuable insights. Your experience truly shows that there is no single path to success in accounting, as you recently mentioned. It's only about resilience, curiosity, and making the most of the opportunities around us. For our listeners, whether you are a CA, CPA, EA, or exploring your own unique route, remember the global stage is open for you, and the right skill and mindset can take you anywhere. If you have any questions or want to know more about how to kickstart your journey, feel free to reach out to us at MyCP One Academy. Until next time, keep learning, stay inspired, and chase your dream fearlessly. Thank you so much.
Thank you.